Back, we have for now summation using while loop. Let's start here by solving the same problem we had in the last lecture. We start with while. We will use while loop to solve the same problem. While x less or equal than 3, we want only 3 value for x. We write here x is equal to 1 because we start with 1. We write here the sum because we are going to take the sum is equal to 0. We want the sum is equal to 0 because we start with the 0 value of the sum. We write here sum 1 because I don't like to use this function here. I'm trying to avoid this one here. We write here sum 1 is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by x power 2. And here we take plus. It's very important. That means we will take the sum every time we have x. We have different value of x. Here x is equal to x plus 1. We won't only go one step every time. And we go print here, print sum 1. And we hit run. We got the same result that we had in the last video. Here we write f. I love to use this f string. We take here g and we do it like that. I forgot to do this one here. Yes, we hit run. We got like more compact result here. So let's solve another or different problem. We want to take the sum. Let's do it here. The sum s is sigma, or the summation time. We take the summation simple summation, and we have here 1. We take the summation of 1 divided by x. And here we want the start. It will be 1, and the end it will be 100. We start with 1, we end with 100. We write first while x less or equal than end. We take here x is equal to 1, and we want the summation s equal to 0. And we write here s plus, we remember this one here is like indicating we want the summation of the equation. Like every time we have different value of x, we make it as a summation, s plus the old value plus the new value of this equation. So s, and we write here 1 divided by x, and here we have x equal to x plus 1. We take only one step, and we write here print s. We take f string as usual, f, and we take this one here s. I want it more compact, that's why I use g here, and we hit run. We got 5.18, 738. So that was how to use while loop in Python. In the next lecture we will talk how to use for loop.